It's the newest Nest thermostat from Google. Just released, this one has a total redesign. In addition to that, it includes a temperature sensor right inside the box. I can't wait to check this out. I'm gonna unbox this and show you exactly what comes in the box when you buy it. Check it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? Here it is, the brand new Google Nest Learning Thermostat, the 2024 edition. And I think it's safe to say this is the first big redesign for the Nest thermostat since the thing was originally released. Sure, there have been iterations along the way, and I like some of them, I love some of them, frankly, but this is the first time they've really rethought the whole design. And the temperature sensor isn't new, but it's nice that they include it inside the box with this as well, because frankly, it's a necessary accessory if you have a learning thermostat in a larger home. So what I want to do for you is unbox this and show you exactly what comes inside the box of the brand new Google Nest Learning Thermostat. So let's get this thing over to the table. Here it is, brand new in the box, the brand new Google Nest Learning Thermostat, and you can see right there on the front it says includes Nest temperature sensor. And they've got the new design. It looks pretty cool. In the corner it's got icons telling you the thermostat's there and the temperature sensor. That's that little circle. On the sides of the box it just has a simple design, says the name of the product, the Google logo here on the long side, and on the back you've got what's included, the learning thermostat and the temperature sensor, and then a bunch of legal stuff basically kind of talking about what's in the box, lots of legal stuff. But notice the Matter logo. This is connected with Matter, works with Matter. To unbox this, we've got these strips. Let's take them off. I've never seen a box design like this. Maybe this is something new. But now that we've got those strips off, the outside shell should slide right off. There we go. And then on the box, again, you see those two circles indicating the thermostat is in here and the smaller temperature sensor. So let's open up the box and see what that looks like. Oh, look at that. Nice presentation. Super clean. A nice Google look to it, don't you think? There's the Nest thermostat, and then we've got the temperature sensor right next to it. We're going to check those out a little bit more in depth in a second. Let's see what else is inside the box here. Lots of goodies, as this is designed to be mounted to your walls. They've got to include all the mounting hardware as well, which is what it looks like we have right here. First of all, we've got an instruction manual, which we will take a closer look at that in just a second. But then on the right-hand side, you've got that mounting bracket or mounting hardware. I'm not sure what you call it, but it's for mounting the actual thing to the wall. Underneath this other piece of cardboard, we've got more mounting hardware. This is kind of the escutcheon plate, if you call it that, or face plate, if your hole in your wall is too big. And we've got another piece of mounting hardware, and it looks like we've got some screws in there. And aside from that, that is all that's inside the box. Just another piece of cardboard here to kind of hold everything together, but otherwise the box is empty. Okay, let's take a closer look at some of the mounting hardware that comes with it. First of all, is this not the nicest presentation of screws you've ever seen? Nice job. I mean, if you're trying to unbox screws, that's a heck of a way to do it. And then we've got this metal mounting bracket. Not 100% sure how that's going to work out, but it's probably for different scenarios. Everyone has a different setup in their home. This is an escutcheon plate. If the hole in your wall is larger, you're going to use something like this to cover the larger hole, and then you'll mount the thermostat into the middle of this. Now, a lot of newer homes won't need this, but older homes you might need this. Just sort of depends on your setup. It's of course great that they include this in the box. It's nice and clean. You put the thermostat on there, it'll look just like that. So it does kind of create like a white background on your wall. Again, nice that it's included here for those who need it. Not everyone will necessarily need that. Here's the instruction manual. Let's open this up and see what's inside. I can't imagine this is anything too in-depth because frankly, it's just not very thick. There's not much to this. We've got two little booklets here. The first booklet tells you what's included, all the pieces and parts that should be inside the box. And then you've got, looks like, some very basic instructions, not even really, just telling you to scan the QR code. That'll probably help you out more. But then they do have stickers here. These are important. These are great to put on your wires coming out of your wall. Once you identify what they are, put the stickers on there so you know next time which wire is which, and then a legal document booklet. And then this is that plate that actually goes on the wall. If you've ever used a Nest thermostat before, you'll recognize this. It's got the little level built in, and then all the little connectors around the edge. Most of you will not need every single connector. These are push connectors, so you push them shut, and then you push the wire in, and then you lift it up, and it clips or clamps the wire into there. It's actually a really clever way of making this work. I mean, Google's been doing this design. Nest, frankly, has been doing this design even before Google. You've got your screw holes on the top and the bottom, and then that little connector there. I'll show you where this connects to the Nest thermostat itself. See how that works? So you mount the mounting bracket on the wall first, and then the Nest thermostat just sort of plugs and pushes into the mounting bracket. This is that temperature sensor, and look how clean this thing is. And then on the back, it's got the Google logo. It's got a little screw hole. Obviously, that little tab you pull to activate the battery. And it looks like a little mushroom, doesn't it? Like it's from Super Mario Brothers or something. But I got to tell you, on the top, there's no Google logos. There's no colors. It's just a clean, simple little temperature sensor that, honestly, you put it somewhere inconspicuous, and I think people wouldn't even notice it was in your home. But nice that it's included in the box now with the new Nest Learning Thermostat. And here it is. Here is the thermostat itself in all of its glory, and it is cool looking. I mean, it kind of looks like a flying saucer or something. Look at from underneath. Look at all the silver, the shiny silver on the back here. It's got a cool look to it. I'd love to know in the comments if you guys like this new design, because this is the first, I think, big departure from the initial Nest design. Looking from the side really shows you how different that design is, and it's got a little bit of a click to it, so you can push the device into the wall and it'll click to select things. You can spin the whole thermostat just like before to access those menus and such. And a little hole here. I'm assuming that's probably for maybe the temperature sensor inside this device. I'm not quite sure. On the back, we've got that little connector that I just showed you, how that connects to the mounting bracket. You've got a QR code, not exactly sure what that's for. And then you've got a Google logo and a little USB-C charging port if you need to charge this up outside of it being on your wall, because on the wall it will get low voltage and it will charge slowly, but you might want to charge it up with a USB-C plug before you actually connect it, or if for some reason your power isn't giving it enough power through the wall and you need to charge it up properly. But again, that thing is clean looking. You got the glass on the front, the much bigger screen than before, which is something that Google touts big time with this brand new 2024 Google Nest Learning Thermostat. All right, so step 2 is going to be installing this on the wall in my home, and I'm going to create a video showing you how I do that, taking you through that process of installing this on the wall. So if it's not posted yet, subscribe to the channel. That's going to be coming up very, very soon here on Tech It Before You Wreck It. And I want to know what you think. Throw your comments below. I read every single comment. I promise. I dare you to test me, and I reply to every single comment as well. Let me know if you're going to upgrade to the new Nest Learning Thermostat, the new design, if you like this new design, this larger screen, or if this is your first Nest thermostat and you're just getting it for the first time, because I think a lot of people are continuing to convert over to smart thermostats instead of the dumb thermostats that most of us have with our existing home. So hopefully you'll subscribe. We've got a lot more cool tech videos coming here on the channel. Tech It Before You Wreck It. I'm Kirk.